Whoa! Flood warning!
Southern Shelby County, southwestern Talladega County, until midnight Central Daylight Time.
Oh, wow.
At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Alabaster, Siliconia, Calera, Montebello, Chambersburg, Columbiana, Wilsonville, Talladega Springs, Wilton, Oak Grove, Shelby County Airport, Lake, American Village, Fayetteville, Wheeling, University of Montebello, Shelby, Highway 145 at Creek 46, Spring Creek and Beeswax Creek Park. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Wow.
This is No Weather Radio, station KIH 54.
I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that to happen. It was heavy raining in my area. If there was a flash flood warning, that wouldn't happen. But now there it is for Shelby and some other counties.